Hello everyone, this is Rahul Bajaj from Bajaj Alchem Private Limited. We are in home care and healthcare business since the last 30 years. Today, I am going to tell you about the Olive brand oxygen concentrator. Olive brand is one of the best brand in the world for oxygen concentrators. It has two variants, the 5 liter and the 10 liter variant. Today, we are going to see about the 5 liter variant. Along with the oxygen concentrator, we have additional accessories such as the nasal cannula in 2 sets, an extra dust filter, an extra HEPA filter, a humidifier bottle, and oxygen concentrator user manual. Now we are going to see how this machine operates. Firstly, here there is a main switch which has to be switched on for the machine to turn on. And we also have an MCB switch which protects the device from getting damaged in case of a current overflow. So let us now turn on the device. As you can see, on turning on, the LCD gets turned on, and here we have an on-off button, a timer setting button, and an analog flow meter. As we switch on the on-off button, the machine starts. Using the timer plus button, we can set a total time for a particular amount which we want the machine to run. It can go up to 480 minutes, that is 8 hours. And using the timer minus, you can less the time. It also has a voice feature which you can turn on and off, and an analog flow meter. Using the analog flow meter is simple. You can just turn this knob anti-clockwise or clockwise to adjust the flow rate. Now as you can see, the ball here is at 5, that it is giving 5 liter of oxygen per minute. You can also decrease it by just rotating the knob. Now let us check for the purity of oxygen delivered by this oxygen concentrator. For that, we have an oxygen analyzer which determines the percentage of oxygen present in the air. At present you can see it shows 21, which is the oxygen amount present in the ambient air. Now we are going to connect this to the oxygen concentrator. Let us see how. First, we have to connect this humidifier bottle to the oxygen concentrator in the way shown. This is the outlet of the oxygen concentrator. We just put the humidifier bottle here, for which the space is provided, and we insert the output of the oxygen concentrator to the input of the humidifier like this. This is the outlet of the humidifier through which the oxygen will be coming and the nasal cannula should be connected. Now we check the oxygen purity delivered by this oxygen concentrator. Now you can see the reading is 21, that is of the ambient air. Now we will connect this to the oxygen analyzer. As you can see, the reading is going up, which is showing the oxygen purity level in the air being increased. As you can see, the reading goes up to 91. And we are operating at 1 liter per minute. Now we will increase the flow rate by turning the knob anti-clockwise. Now it is operating at 5 liter per minute, and you can see the purity of oxygen delivered by this oxygen concentrator is 93% pure. I would suggest you to always ask your seller to show you the oxygen purity before buying any oxygen concentrator, as there are many products available in the market which should show 90% plus oxygen purity up to 1 liter, but when you turn up to 5 liters, the percentage of oxygen drops down to around 30%, which can be fatal for a COVID patient. We also provide local servicing support at our Visakhapatnam service center for the Olive brand oxygen concentrators purchased from us. As we know that it takes time to get it serviced under warranty from a foreign supplier. You can find our contact details in the description mentioned below. Thank you.